Hello friend, welcome back. In a previous video, I already discussed about that things with you. Here I added one of the for each, and here I just defined that if condition. So when this key value will be the 00, then it should be loaded with that layout. And also there have the another layout as a this one. And for this one, I just define key as 1. So when it should be the 1, then it should be loaded that part. So into that part, that means it should be designed with by that layout. So now I want to work on particular that area. So for doing this, there is a title, the category name will be visible, there is a comments option, and that is also the date and the creator name. So for now, there is actually this part. That means after that key 1, I just define that media. Okay, that means media class. So first of all, here I have to display our images. So I already did that work on here. Like there is actually images. So for now, I just copy whole things from the src, and here I just paste it. So I just define that things on here. So now this image, like here you can see that is actually the thumbnail image. So I just define that as a thumbnail on here. Like here I just define it. I just define as a thumbnail. Okay, that means the thumbnail image will be visible on here, and there is our title. So for the title, I just define that image title. Okay, so I just copy it, and here I just define the title. And also if you want to add that link, so for the details page for in our images, and so it should be redirected to our this URL. So better I just copy it, and here I just paste on particular that position. So that is our link. That is a details page with the items flag. Perfect. And now also here I want to display our category name. So category name, I display it with the category and then our name. So I just copy it, and here I paste on particular that position. You can see there's also showing the category name. Okay, so for the reasons I just defining it on here, and after that there is a title. So here I just define the title. So there is our item with the title. So here I just define the title on here. Okay, and after that there is our date. So and the author name, so it should be just like our this one here. That is actually the Dave. Okay, so that is the a if there is a class, so we have to actually finish that class on here. Okay, so now here I just copy it. So I just copy that things from here, and now in our that place, that means here, that is our a. I just finish that things on to particular that position. Okay, and after that there is actually the comments. So for now I want to do that is our comments. So I already did that work as a comments count. So I just copy it, and here I just paste on particular that area. Now it's perfect. So here I just define all the things in our particular that area, and here there is our and if, and after that there is comments, and here I want to do on particular that position I want to actually put one of the if condition, and here I just put that last loop on here. Like I show you, I just define as a if, and into the if condition here I just define as a loop. Okay, and for the loop here I just define as a last, that means the last loop, and I want to finish it like there is an and if. So here I just finish on particular that position. So that's all you have to do here. I display our comments, our name and the date and the title, category name, images. So now let's check this out. If everything okay, should be work. Like I just click on the save all. Okay, I just click on the save all, and now I just refresh that page. Yes, you can see now it's actually showing as a category. That is the mobile category. I have only one data. For the reasons it's now showing like that way. And that is also, there is, you can see there is another category as a cricket category. There is a football category. There is a mobile category. And into the mobile category here you can see they have actually 4 news. For the reasons it's actually showing like that way. So now it's perfect. Like here if you want to add another mobile, like I show you, like if you go to that admin, and here there is our post, and into the post like I want to actually and that is actually the golf category, so I want to edit it. Like that is our golf category, this post, I click on the edit, and now I just make the things as a mobile. Okay, like here that is actually our mobile category. So here I want to add actually another post. So I just click on the update, and now if you refresh that page, yes, now you can see it's now perfectly showing like that way. So there is actually one layout. So for the layout, actually it's now visible like that way. And here there is our category name is visible with the images, and in particular that position I use that list images. And for the another conditions, I did another condition for the key one. Okay, and for the key one here you can see now I just defined that value. So this all that layout is now different. So now that is actually visible like that way. So better I just put some of the style on here, but then it should be look good. Like here in our this 6 on particular that position I just define a style, and here I just define as a margin. Okay, margin, and I just define margin bottom as a 2%. Okay, just defining it, then it should be better. Like I just click on the save all, and if we now refresh it, yeah, now you can see it's now becoming CDB spaces on here, and also it's now showing all that category. That means the mobile category, that is mobile category, and also all that mobile category created by the Kazi. Okay, so all the post is created by the Kazi, and this post is created by the admin. So I hope you can well understand about it. And for this one I want to actually increase the limit. So here I put that limit, that's one. So here I just define that 50, so I just define as a 100 for this one. Now if you click on the save all, and now if you refresh it, yeah, you can see now it's showing as a 100 character. So right now I have only that 5 news in our mobile category. So you have to add some of the post in the football category, that is a cricket category, and into this category they have no news. For the reasons actually it's now showing like that way. So laterly I will actually add some of the post for every category, then it will be look at it. So all that post will be now displayed like that way. So we successfully did that work, and now it's perfectly showing on particular that area. And also if you want to put that link, like there is a more news, so if you click on the more news, then it should be redirected to our appropriate this category, that means the mobile category, all that category news. So for doing this, here you have to defining it like that is our more news. And into the more news, here I want to define like href, and here I just define that URL. Okay, so here I just define as a URL, and I just put one of the URL on particular that position as a slash. It should be redirected to the category. Okay, so I have to actually create this route, so I will do that things later. And after that, here there is a slash, and then I have to defining it as a, it should be redirected to by the category ID. So here I just defining our category ID with the categories, like here that is actually with the category I just define that ID. Okay, so here I just define with the category, here I just define our category field as ID. So now if you click on the save, like I just click on the save all, and now if you refresh that page, and now if you put your cursor on here, now you can see it's now showing as a news and category and the 3 ID. So there is actually 3 category, there is a 4 category, those should be restricted to the 4 category, all the data, there is a 5. Okay, so it's perfectly now, there is 6, there is a 7. So right now into this category they have no news, for the reasons it's now showing as a blank. So I hope you can well understand about it. So it should be just look like this one. So in our next video I will work for our category page. Like if you click on the category, then all that category related this all that post will be visible within the category page. Like we already created one of the page as a listing page. Like if you go to that listing, so that will be our listing page design. Okay, so all that category post will be visible like that way. So in our next video I will show you how can I show you all that category in our listing page. So step by step each and everything I will show you, then it will be very much clear to you. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.